And I come across this friend, Crown. He stays in Port Harcourt, who started telling me about the products. And I got interested because of my elder sister, who just developed a high BP. It's not in our lineage. And when I got to hear about it, I was wondering how it could be managed. So when I got to know about Pure, I was actually convinced. And I had the thought, that I can get two things from here when I was told what the product does. So I got of how we can. This is a product everybody needs. This is a product that is genuine. My sister, every short time, BP rises. I was almost going in tears because she's just like a mother to me, next person to my mom. So before I got this product, I am telling you, from the time I got this product till date, no more complaint about HVP. So Pure is a product everybody needs. Is a product you don't need to label yourself to market it. You just need to introduce it to people.